Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram blend feature not showing problem. So, blend is a personalized Reels feed that Instagram curates based on shared interest between you and a friend. It only works between two people and both must opt in. So you must be wondering why blend feature is not showing. So there are some possible reasons why is the blend feature not showing. First one is outdated Instagram app, or you're not using a personal or creator account, or region-based feature rollout, or feature not enabled in chat settings, or you're not eligible. That means you're under 13 or restricted account. So, how to fix the Instagram blend feature not showing? First of all, update Instagram. Go to the App Store or Play Store on your mobile phone, then click on the search icon, search for Instagram, then make sure that you don't see update button just right here. If you see it, click there and update Instagram to the latest version to get the blend feature on your mobile phone. Now, another way is switching to a personal or creator account. So, blend may not appear on business accounts. Steps to solve this is go to your profile icon, then click on the three-line icon at the top right. Then on this page, navigate to settings and privacy, tap accounts type and tools and select switch account type, then choose personal or creator. That will enable you to switch to a personal or creator account through which you can easily solve this problem. Now, you can also solve this problem by enabling blend in chat. Simply navigate to any chat with a friend, tap the blend icon at the top, and that will instantly enable blend for you. Now you can easily start sending reels and both of you will be shown the same reels. Now, and if it's not there, share some more reels to your friend in order to get the blend feature. So you can send 5 to 10 reels to your friend and he should also send you 5 to 10 reels in order to get the blends icon. So when your chat will be longer, you will instantly get the blend feature. This problem could also arise because your friend hasn't accepted your blend request. So you must call your friend and make sure that he has accepted the blend request. Now, blend may not be available in all countries yet. You can use a VPN to test if the feature appears in a different region. Now, too much cache can also cause bugs. Simply navigate to settings, search for apps, then choose Instagram. Now simply tap storage on this page and click on clear cache button, and that could instantly fix the problem. Now, if your problem is still persisting, what you're going to do is navigate to Play Store, click on uninstall and click on uninstall again, and then reinstall Instagram fresh, and that could also solve your problem. Now, you can also try with a different account, so you can create a new personal account and test if the blend feature shows there. If it does, your main account may be restricted. Bonus tip, you can navigate to settings on Instagram, then scroll down and choose help, then choose report a problem, then click on report problem without shaking, click on include and continue and briefly explain your problem. An Instagram support team could also help you fix this problem. Now, the Instagram blend feature is still rolling out and may not be available to everyone yet, but following these steps above fixes the issues in most cases. So that was the simple way through which you can do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.